Now we will delve into how to use the circle progress widget of the classic add-on plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on the plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. Here you can choose your preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on the widget options and search for the circle progress. Simply click on this widget to add it in your section, and in the left sidebar you can see the title. You can enter your title for the circle progress, and here you can choose the circle progress percentage, and here you can add the content for the circle progress. And the next option is progress size. Here you can increase or decrease the size. And the next is progress thickness. Here you can increase or decrease the thickness of the progress. And the next one is progress duration. Set as your preferred. And the next part is layouts, and here you can choose the alignment of the circle progress. And the next one is layout. Here you can choose the circle progress layout. And the next one is post heading tag. Here you can choose this title tag size. And the next one is circle progress items. Here you can drag and drop needed items in the enabled area. And let's moving on to style area. Here you can enter the inner space value for the circle progress. Let's give 10 pixels each side. And the next one is margin. Here you can enter the preferred margin value for the circle progress. And the next one is font color for normal and overview. Let's choose the font color for the circle progress. And next one is background color. Here you can choose the preferred color. And the next, let's set for the hover. Let's set font color for the hover, and you can set the background color. And if you want to enable box shadow, you can enable it here. And the next part is progress. Here you can fill the progress empty color. And the next one is circle start color. And the next one is circle end color. Choose your preferred color. And the next one is progress bar spacing. Here you can choose your preferred space for the progress bar. And the next part is title. Here you can set title color for the normal and the overview. Let's choose the title color here, and here you can set the title margin space. Let's give 20 pixels. And the next one is title transform. Here you can choose capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And the next one is title spacing. Let's choose the preferred space. And the next one is typography. Here you can change the font family and the font style for the text. And the next one is content. Here you can set the description space. And the next one is typography. Here you can choose the font family and font style for the content. Finally, update it.